is Easter 1964, and the late afternoon sun lights the scene for the start of the 12th East African Safari, a rally now accepted as the toughest and most exciting in the world. At 3-minute intervals, the 94 starters roll off the grid with over 3,000 miles of Africa in front of them. Team manager Bill Barnett has final words for Armstrong and Bates in number 2 and Peter Hughes in number 3. Part of the strong Ford of Britain Cortina entry. Bo young husband, driving with Philip Heckel, puts those final touches to Cortina number 4 in those tense moments before the flag goes down. A farewell to the wife, who will keep in touch at the Nairobi base through the days and nights that lie ahead. Mike Armstrong and Chris Bates. Peter Hughes and Billy Young, last year's second overall and class winners in an Anglia, points their Cortina to the north with a burning ambition to get home first this time. Bo young husband and Philip Heckel move into their position, number 4 in the draw, and glad to be among the early starters. Elford and Leon Balin, Cassini and Favalli, John Sprinzel and Peter Garnier in car number 14. Sunset now and some ugly rain clouds building up ahead. Excitement spreads through the large crowd, who occasionally get a bit carried away. Pat Moss, or Mrs. Carlson if you like, moves up in her Saab, partnered by Kenyan entry Joy Mayer. The great Eric Carlson, the giant Swede, lets in. We're only 7 points down at this stage. There had been a battle royal between 5 Cortinas and a brace each of Comets, Mercedes and Saabs. Peter Hughes piling up the miles now with thoughts of the rough, dry hill section ahead. And so into the escarpments around the infamous Tambash section. Mud behind and maybe mud to come. But here, it's dust, stones, rocks, and back to dust again. Bit of a tussle here between Cortinas 2, 3, and 4.
How's it going, everyone? This is the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is the final on Russell model cars and mine. We're having a buddy build, and we did the Ford Cortinas. He did the resin cast Ford Cortina Lotus GT, or Lotus, I'm sorry, not GT, Lotus. And then I did the Ford Cortina GT rally car. This is the 1964 East African Safari Rally winner right here. It is Hughes and Young, and it's the number 3 car. And like I said, Russell, he did a Lotus Cortina, and the difference is the engines. Of course, it had a Lotus twin cam engine, and this has got the inline 4, and it's the rally car. But this is what I've gotten done so far. This is the final. You can see the decals come from Moto Bits out of the UK, and that's where the rally wheels come from, and all the lights, as far as these 3 lights right here, right there. I need a pointer. The little hood strap downs, I guess tie downs, whatever you want to call it. This reverse light on the back, and the hold downs for the deck lid right there. And then the 2 gas caps up here come from Moto Bits. And then the engine I resin cast myself. And I'll show that to you here in just a second. Russell has put his final up, so now it's time for my final. Let me give you a little whirl around here. And before I talk any more about it, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, please think about being a subscriber. Please hit the like, share. All right, now let me move this thing out of the way and show you what all I've gotten done here. Okay, like I said, the wheels, they are resin casted from Moto Bits. I still got to weather this more. I just need to borrow my son. He has my airbrush, and I was going to put like a dusting of dirt across it because I've got the bottom weathered up. As you can see right there, it still needs to be weathered, but like I said, I have to do that, and it'll totally be done. But for y'all, it's done. Like I said, I used these little grab handles are paper clips. You can see the engine here. I built this, what do you call that? The air breather. That's a metal mesh and plastic stock. All the tubing and hosing I did, the wires, everything is resin cast. The seat belts are just tape. Let's see. You can see through the grill. That's metal. That's brass mesh. The headlights there, and the little blinker lights there, and the tail lights, Russell 3D printed. Those are the clear tail lights and stuff. Russell 3D printed those for me. The little step ups I made, all the little brackets for the lights as far as the bumpers and stuff I made myself. This right here come from, now the bracket I made, but the light come from Moto Bits. And like I said, that's my final. Let's put the hood to the side here. The build pics will be at the end of this, so stick around for the build pics. And like I said, I want to thank Russell again. This has been our second buddy build, and there will be many in the future. Me and Russell have decided, but it won't be anytime soon because I got like 3 other buddy builds lined up. But if y'all like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Stick around, and the build pictures are at the end. Thank you very much. Bye.